Hello everyone, welcome to MS Aptiv webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to activate free Microsoft Remote Help trial subscription in Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center. Remote Help is an application to offer assistance to end users over a remote connection that are using Windows devices. With this connection, your support staff can remote connect to the user's device. During the session, they can view the device's display and, if permitted by the device user, take full control. Full control enables a helper to directly make configurations or take actions on the device. Remote Help is a Microsoft Endpoint Manager Premium add-on. It can be fully configured within the Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center. We can buy or try the Remote Help licenses from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Sign in to the Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center as a global administrator. We can access Microsoft Endpoint Manager using the URL https://endpoint.microsoft.com. On homepage, click on Tenant Administration. Then click on Remote Help. Click on Settings tab. We can see currently Remote Help is disabled in our Azure Active Directory tenant. Before purchasing the license, it is advisable to first try the free trial subscription. If it suits your requirements, then you can go ahead with the purchase. In this video, we want to activate a trial subscription of Remote Help add-on. Starting a free trial gives you a 90-day period to use the premium add-on capability without any charge. Trials can be up to 250 users per tenant. At the end of the trial period, there is a 30 days grace period. After this point, you will be unable to use the premium add-on capability in Endpoint Manager for users within your tenant unless you have purchased the appropriate licenses. There is a one-time limit to start a trial for each Azure AD tenant. Only global and billing administrators can choose to start a free trial or purchase licenses for premium add-ons. Click on Premium Add-ons. We can see Remote Help Premium add-on is available for trial or purchase. Click on View Details. Click on To Try or Buy Go to Purchase Services link to navigate to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. A new tab opens on the Product Details page for the Remote Help add-on. Since we want to activate the trial subscription, we will click on Start Free Trial link. Click on Try Now. We can see Remote Help add-on trial 90-day subscription. We will get 250 licenses for Remote Help add-on. Here we can see confirmation order with a receipt number. Click on Continue. We will reach on Microsoft 365 Admin Center again. Expand Billing and click on Your Products. Here we can see information about Remote Help add-on trial subscription. We have total 250 licenses to assign for next 90 days. So we have successfully activated free trial subscription of Remote Help add-on. In the next step, we will assign this add-on license to our users. You can use Microsoft Endpoint Manager, Azure AD Admin Center, or Microsoft 365 Admin Center to assign the licenses. Since we are on a Microsoft 365 Admin Center, we will use it. Click on Users and click on Active Users. Click on Test User 1. Click on Licenses and Apps tab. Assign Remote Help add-on license to user by selecting the checkbox. Click on Save Changes. Perfect. Your changes have been saved successfully. Let me close it. Using the same steps, assign the Remote Help license to our other user, Test User 2. Click on Licenses and Apps tab. Select the checkbox and click on Save Changes. Let me close this. We can confirm that both users now have active Remote Help add-on license assigned to them. In the next step, we need to enable Remote Help for our Intune tenant. Go back to Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center. Click on Tenant Administration. Click on Remote Help. Click on Settings tab. And then we need to click on Configure. On the Configure Remote Help tab, set Enable Remote Help to Enabled to allow use of Intune Remote Help. There is another option called Allow Remote Help to Unenrolled Devices. Enabling this option allows user to receive help on devices that are not enrolled in Intune. We are not going to set this option right now. Select Save to apply the settings. We can see the green correct sign under Remote Help with Enabled status. Now we have successfully enabled Remote Help in our Intune tenant. We are ready to use Remote Help with Intune in our Azure Active Directory tenant. We have activated trial license of Remote Help add-on, and we have also assigned the required license to our users. So now our users can use Remote Help using their Azure Active Directory accounts. Remember, the trial license is valid for the next 90 days. That's all for this video on how to activate Microsoft Remote Help trial subscription in Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.